Hello and welcome to the library. My name is Sarah and today we're going to be making some grass heads. If you've popped into the library this week, you would have been able to pick up a craft kit and everything you need to make your grass heads are in your craft kit. If you haven't had a chance to grab one of these, all the resources are available from the Reject Shop and other stores around Gladstone. Alright, so what are we going to need? Well, we're going to need a paper cup and a stocking, or a bag of seeds and things, and a bag of stuffing. So we're also going to need some water and 2 saucers or small plates. So in our small plates we're going to pour some water into our first bowl, so we'll pour some water in there, just enough to cover the bottom. And in our second plate we're going to put our seeds. So inside this pack, we have a little packet of seeds. These are cress seeds or curly-leaved cress, and that's a leafy vegetable. So you'll be able to eat these once they've grown. So open up your seed packet and pour your seeds out onto your other plate. Make sure it's the dry plate. So we'll pour those out and we'll spread those out. Now, cress seeds are very small and there's a lot of cress seeds there for you to put into your grass head. So we'll spread those all out like so. All right, now we're going to take our paper cup and we're going to take our stocking. So roll up your stocking between 2 hands like so. Roll, 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 roll. And place the end of your stocking over your cup. And make a little bowl with your stocking to put your seeds into. There we go. I'll pull it all the way up. There we are. Okay, so now we're going to take our stuffing. Now we have 2 types of stuffing. We have cotton wool balls and we have some teddy bear stuffing, like so. So we'll put the teddy bear stuffing away for the side. And we're going to take our cotton wool balls. Okay, so taking a cotton wool ball, dip it into the water and squeeze off the excess and then dip that into your seeds so the seeds stick. And then place those into your cup face down on your stocking. Now we're going to repeat that with all of our cotton wool balls. So dip into the water, tap on the water, tap on some seeds, and then place that face down into your stocking. So water, oops, I'm a bit clumsy, seeds, and into your stocking. Water, seeds, and we continue this until we have no more seeds left. Dip, dip, dip. Press, press, press. Make sure you don't put the seeds on top of other cotton wool because they'll have to grow through the cotton wool before they come out of the head. So we want them pressed nicely up against the stocking. So place that in there. Couple more to go. Pick up as many seeds as we can. Now, once you've picked up all your seeds, you might have some leftover cotton wool balls. I've only got 1. So you can pop that on top of your other cotton wool and then grab your stuffing and pop that on top like so. Then, we'll pull our plates away to the side because we don't want to get water everywhere. Now pull up your stocking up and over the stuffing, like so, and pull it up. And push down your stuffing all the way to the end of your stocking. Now, can you see all the seeds inside there? All right, so mold it around till it looks like a head and push it down. It should just be big enough than the lid of your cup. Now we're going to tie a knot. So twist up your tie. Now, if you can't tie a knot yourself, you might get a grown-up to help you. But it's pretty easy to do. You just make a loop, like so, and then pull the end of your stocking through the loop. and push your knot down towards the head. There we go. And that's our grass head. Doesn't look very much like a head. Let's get decorating. So in our little seed box, we've got some decoration tools. We've got some mouth stickers. We have some nose stickers. We have 2 googly eyes, 1 and 2. And we have some small rubber bands. So grab some of those. There we go. So taking your head, we're going to pinch a little bit of the stuffing off the side, and we're going to put a rubber band around that bit of stuffing. So 1, whoop, around there like so. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same again. So pinch, grab our rubber band, and pop it around our stuffing. Oh dear, I've broken my rubber band. Luckily, we've put lots of spares into your pack for you. There we go. There's another one. All right, so we're going to wrap that around the rubber band, like so. And now we have 2 ears. You can also do the same again for a nose in the middle of the face, or you can use your nose stickers. All right, so I'm just going to pop him into my cup to make it easier. So put the end in there like so, and pop him in the cup. All right, so now I'm going to add a nose. Which nose, Stow Chick, should I pick? Oh, okay, I'm going to pick this one. So pop that on there like so. And then a mouth. Which mouth? I think the one with the lots of teeth. Pop that on there. And now our googly eyes. Now on the back of our googly eyes, we've put some double-sided tape. Just peel away the red cover. It's a little bit tricky. There we go. And we're going to pop those onto our head. Oh, I told you it was tricky. There we go. Pop that on there like so. And there is our googly head. Now you can further decorate your googly, not your googly head. And there we have our grass head. So you can further decorate your grass head by drawing on the cup. You can draw a body or just the shoulders if you want to make the head look a little bit smaller. To water your plants, you just pour some water into your cup, like so. And the stocking will wick up the water. So it'll suck all the water up to the top and water our lovely plants at the top of there. Now these should sprout by the end of the week if you leave them on the bench or maybe in a cupboard in a dark place just to help them start their sprouting. Once they've grown, they'll have nice curly leaves which you can cut and add to salads or to sandwiches, or just leave them on your head to make it look like a grass head for as long as you can. So that's our craft for today. Now we're going to post some pictures at the end of each week to show you how our head is going, and please share yours as well. We want to see what you've made. Join us again next week for another craft. The craft kits will be available at each of our libraries starting next Monday, and the craft session for that craft will be on the following Wednesday. We'll see you again soon. Bye!